Welcome to A Piece of Life, a podcast powered by Brain to Body Revolution. I, Supriya Nera, welcome each and every one of you, and with me is my lovely, beautiful partner, Samya. So you know our names, right? So now we do not have to tell our names also. You know our names very well. So because you are watching our podcast from quite a long time now and you're used to, and now you know that we actually discuss very simple things and we just go dive deep into it and bring out the science out of it and the spirituality, maybe the aspect that you would like to know. And because of that, you're very easily identifying the things that are happening with you, and you can catch yourself whenever you are going up and down, whatever, right? So yeah, so this particular podcast is meant to make life simpler for you so that you get to know everything and you make your life simpler, right, Soumya?
Absolutely. Bang on, 100%.
Yeah. So Soumya, have you ever noticed the plants and the trees? They shed their leaves during the winter season, and when there's the summer season is coming, so plants may and trees may be plant, leaves आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, fresh leaves आने शुरू हो जाते हैं. So
Mm-hmm.
what is that? Why you think the plants nowadays, wherever I'm going outside, may everywhere there's leaves and leaves, all the worn out leaves and all. So there is a complete cycle into that, when the leaves shed down. तो
Mm-hmm.
लीव्स इसलिए प्लांट शेड करता है क्योंकि दोज लीव्स आर नॉट दैट हेल्दी, राइट? those
Mm-hmm.
leaves cannot prepare food at that particular quantity or whatever, है ना, अच्छे से नहीं कर सकते हैं वो. इसलिए प्लांट्स सोच रहे हैं, ट्रीज सोच रहे हैं कि इट इज बेटर टू शेड देम ऑफ. एंड अगेन ऑल दोज leaves also they go down in the jungle or in the soil and they make humus for it, है ना. ह्यूमस के कारण वो फर्टिलाइजर का ही काम करते हैं उसके लिए. वो वाला साइकिल तो चलता रहता है. बट plants actually undergo that extreme condition, and due
Mm-hmm.
to that plants के अंदर बहुत अच्छे अच्छे chemicals release होते हैं. And because of those chemicals, plants actually live longer because they have saved their energy in, save their energy. Why? Because the all the worn out leaves and all those have been shed by the plants. So this is
Mm-hmm.
kind of stress that the plants and trees go through, and because of that, certain beautiful chemicals get released in them.
Now, I did not know all of this. I just know that the trees shed leaves and the trees grow leaves. That's all I knew. We are coming up with something new. Super excited. Tell us
Yeah,
more.
it's definitely exciting. I was going through it, and I and my husband were having a discussion. He was just asking me that what's going on, about him, guys. Yes, plants. Why do plants shed leaves? So that new plants can grow, and summer season are coming ना. तो transpiration better हो इस कारण से they shed leaves and all. उसके बाद they actually want you to give best. Nature's best is that actually, है ना.
सभी
So.
लोग ये सोचते हैं कि पानी नहीं होता है इसीलिए वो शेड करते हैं. दिस इज what I have understood, and I think majority of us understood कि there is not enough water, so plant cannot produce, basically can't produce enough food, and that's why shed. But नए molecules and नए things, this is interesting. Okay.
Yes, we all know now that sometimes we have heard about the resveratrol thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
Resveratrol is something which keeps you, which gives you longevity, which makes you young. I've seen so many people who have told us like that they are taking resveratrol, this thing, supplements in order to stay younger and all. So resveratrol is
Mm-hmm.
there. Even green tea people take. But
Yeah, yeah.
yeah, these kind of things are actually helping human beings also in the conditions. Why? Because our body kind of recognizes that all those things are produced by plants and trees, and
Uh,
this is something out of stress that plant have produced,
okay.
है ना.
Okay.
उसको रिकॉग्नाइज करके एंड दे नो कि ये वाला स्ट्रेसफुल कंडीशन में भी अगर प्लांट इस चीज को प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, पॉलीफिनॉल्स, सो दैट इज यूजफुल फॉर आवर बॉडी एंड दैट इज गिविंग longevity to us. So plants undergo that stressful condition and saves its energy in order to produce those beautiful chemicals, and
Mhm.
those chemicals are helpful for them definitely and helpful for us also.
Oh, wow. So this, what we feel sorry for them, like, oh, it's summer or it's winter, they are going, oh, they're shedding all their leaf, they're looking like they are about to, they are going through stressful period of time,
Yeah,
is actually working out for them. Like they are
it's
getting
working out
benefit.
for them.
Wow. Okay.
And this is called as your xenohormesis.
Xeno X. It's X, right?
Xeno,
Yes.
yeah.
Xeno and
Hormesis. Hormesis. Hormesis.
Oh, this hormesis we had studied that
We
in
had
our body
studied.
also. Yeah.
Yeah, this is when you are actually giving yourself some stress in lower dose to
हाँ.
make your body sustain, in order to make you able to sustain all those harsh periods and all. So that is a hormosis process which goes, which we undergo, or the plant or trees undergo. And
हम्म,
after giving that stress to your body or to the plant, then
हम्म,
that plant actually survives in those conditions, which
हम्म.
makes it survive longer in his lifetime.
So it's a good stress.
It's a
So
good stress.
usually we associate stress as something bad for you, not good for you, like,
Hmm,
something
hmm,
that's
hmm.
terrible for you. But hormesis is a good stress.
Hormesis is a good stress, and that we also do.
Ah,
When
yeah.
we exercise, our body actually goes through the stress, and that is also a hormesis. है ना?
Hormesis.
Your muscles get teared, and then you muscles tear होते हैं, लेकिन साथ साथ में ये भी तो होता है, muscle strengthen भी, muscle build भी तो
Mm,
होते हैं ना exercise करने से. Your stamina increases. That is a little bit of stress that you are giving to your body, but your body is actually using it, and it making you more resilient to the pressure that falls upon you. It makes you more, fitter. So the thing is, that small bit of stress that you are giving to your body by undergoing the process of exercise or something like that, so that process is actually useful for our body, you know
yeah.
and the same way, this process is actually triggered by the process of fasting also.
The hormesis is
The
triggered by
hormesis.
fasting also. Okay, so
Yes.
fasting is good stress.
फास्टिंग इज डेफिनेटली अ गुड स्ट्रेस. डेफिनेटली पीपल फील हंग्री, है ना, बोलते हैं ना सौम्या, हम लोगों ने जब लास्ट टाइम भी किया था, दे फील दैट हंगर, एंड दिस टाइम वी वर डिस्कसिंग दैट लेट देम फील हंगर. यू हैव टू फील दैट
हाँ.
हंगर,
हम्म.
राइट? यू हैव टू फील दैट हंगर. अगर आप डिप्राइव्ड फील नहीं करोगे, हंग्री फील नहीं करोगे, तो आपके अंदर ऑटोफेजी होगा ही नहीं ना.
हम्म.
Your body actually wants to go under autophagy, and that is why it is making you feel hungry a bit, and you have to feel that. You have
हम्म.
to feel that hunger for certain amount of time, and then your body produces all those hormones which give you longevity, राइट, एंड इट रिपेयर्स द सिस्टम. जो टूटे फूटे सामान जो हैं, उन सभी को लाइन पे लगाना, उन सभी को एनगल्फ करके उनको हजम करना इज ऑटोफेजी. और वो ऑटोफेजी आपके बॉडी में एक्टिवेट हो जाती है जब आप अपने बॉडी को फास्टिंग का स्ट्रेस देते हो. And that is a minute, you will not feel also. शुरू में आपको feel होगा, you have to feel it, you should feel it actually, not to activate that process. And then सौम्या, आपके जीन और आपके डीएनए में चेंजेस आने शुरू हो जाते हैं because of this xenohormesis things. That is
Wow.
why it is very important for us to make that change in your DNA material also,
Absolutely. To adapt to the nature, to the
to
changing
adapt to the
climate.
nature, to reactivate the autophagy. Autophagy is nature's law. Autophagy happens on its own, but we are not allowing that autophagy to happen. Na? All the time we are munching on things, all that we are not giving rest to the digestive system. It needs rest.
Hmm.
It needs rest, and it wants us to go through some harsh period so that it actually lives longer. लिव्स
Hmm.
लॉन्गर इन अ बेटर वे. देखो, ऐसा कोई फायदा नहीं है कि आप बिस्तर पे बैठे हो, आप वार्ड में लेटे लेटे आपने 100 साल बिता दी, वैसा नहीं. यू
Hmm.
हैव टू लिव लॉन्गर एक्टिवली.
Hmm.
एक्टिवली अगर आप लॉन्गर रहना चाहते हो, विद द प्रोसेस, एवरी हीलिंग प्रोसेस गोइंग ऑन इन योर बॉडी इन पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम, योर बॉडी इज एक्चुअली मेंटेनिंग इट सेल्फ, killing all the dead cells, है ना. You are very easily able to shed the dead cells, and you are rejuvenating ourselves. So this process of xenohormesis is going to give your life, give your body a new life. बॉडी
Hmm.
को ऐसा लगता है कि डेंजर आने वाला है, तो
Hmm.
डेंजर आने का सोचकर प्लांट्स जैसे अपने जो लीव्स को शेड कर देता है, तो आपकी बॉडी के अंदर भी वो जो मटेरियल्स है जो यूजलेस है अभी आपकी बॉडी के लिए, वो आपके जो बॉडी के अंदर ऑटोफेजी का प्रोसेस शुरू के उसको हजम करना शुरू हो जाता है. जैसे कि हम
हाँ.
लोग घर का कचरा वचरा निकालना शुरू कर देते हैं ना, कि भाई कोई गेस्ट आने वाला है, कुछ ऐसा जोन है, हम लोग स्टॉक करना शुरू करते हैं, वैसे वाला सिस्टम आपकी बॉडी के अंदर चालू हो जाता है, राइट?
ओके. ठीक
So
है.
xeno means actually stranger. You know that, na Soumya? There is
जीरो.
something called as xenophobia. Xenophobia mean
हाँ.
matlab you are actually afraid of the strangers, है ना?
हम्म.
When we were in biology, में ना, we were studying about autogamy or monogamy, है ना?
हम्म.
That there's also called as something called as
Okay.
getonogamy. That's
हाँ.
xenogamy. So all these things are so beautiful na, and when completely when I about researching about it, and when I actually came across this word hormesis मेरे को पता था, but xenohormesis I was completely not aware of. And so this is what actually we came up with. So you can induce that particular longevity in you, you can induce your autophagy with the process of xenohormesis. So this is, by doing this you will be living longer, you will be having a good clearer skin. Some of the person actually, one of the person, texted me, he said that I really want to have good skin, so does fasting work on that? Yes, definitely works on that. Yeah.
Mm.
So this is what actually I really wanted to. And the same way, just not in plants, this particular thing is being done on us also. When a your newborn is born, suppose he is
Mm.
given vaccines na.
Mm. Mm.
तो
Mm.
वैक्सीन्स जब हम लोगों को देते हैं, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसमें टाइनी बिट ऑफ वायरस जो है वो स्ट्रेस आपकी बॉडी में डाला जाता है, और
Mm.
उस स्ट्रेस के कारण रिस्पॉन्स आता है आपकी बॉडी में। डॉक्टर
Mm.
आपको बोलता है कि देखो फीवर आना चाहिए आपको, अगर
Mm.
फीवर आया है यानी कि आपका इम्यून सिस्टम अच्छे से काम कर रहा है, दैट इज अ रिस्पॉन्स टू द स्ट्रेस दैट यू हैव गिवन टू योर बॉडी। So,
Mm.
guys, if you are giving the stress of fasting to your body, you are definitely going to make better use of it. Why? By activating the cells, by activating the natural process of, autophagy in you, and lengthening your life with absolute healthy body and mind.
Absolutely. So,
So,
ze-
Samya, what do you inculcate out of this?
so xenohormesis is the process of inducing good stress in your body to activate few more chemicals or few more processes in your body that is going to benefit for you long term.
Yes.
What I understood. Uh,
Long term as well as in short term also.
Short term. Huh. It changes you, who you are,
Changes
like
you.
whatever was unwanted in your body or wherever it gets excreted out of your system, and you get to grow new things out of you. So you are going to sprout a new leaf on your own, is what I.
Absolutely. So many new fresh leaves actually.
Yeah.
Even, there are researches, Soumya, they have seen even the stem cell generation also
Yeah,
by
yeah.
by this process. So this is too good actually, and we always do that when we also fast. Now, when we come to know that why people ask us, na, that how come you stay so energetic? Because we are fasting not for 16 hours, if that we are fasting for 12 to 14 hours. पक्का से हर रोज करते ही हैं हम लोग. Even the guidance that we give to people, they have a gap of almost 12 13 hours in two meals, right? So
Yeah.
especially at night. So this process is actually getting activated in our system, and that is why that freshness, that stamina is there in our body, right? So this is what we need to understand, and this is the best time for it, as we are also launching this program. And that how this particular program is so much fit in this particular season, that is why spring season आ रहा है पूरी तरीके से, ये पूरी तरह से फिट है। आप देखो, हम लोग बात कर रहे थे ना, हमने इंस्टाग्राम रील पे बताया कि ब्रह्मा जी ने भी ये वाला जो टाइम है इसको क्रिएशन के लिए, प्रोसेस के लिए शुरू किया था।
Mm.
ट्रीज आर क्रिएटिंग न्यू 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 लीव्स, राइट? सो द सेम वे एवरीथिंग, हार्वेस्टिंग का भी सीजन जब होता है, तो आप लोग नया सीड जो भी प्लांट कर रहे हो आप मैनिफेस्टेशन का, दैट ऑल्सो ग्रोज, दैट ऑल्सो स्प्राउट्स when you are actually following the process of, you should go with nature, go natural, हम लोग बोलते हैं go natural, go natural. So this is nature. Nature wants us to fast, nature wants us to do that. So the thing is, चैत्र नवरात्रि का जो टाइम है, it is a perfect time to blend your intermittent fasting.
Mm.
And when you feed your spirituality into it, ये तो सोने पे सुहागा हो जाता है, राइट? सो दिस इज सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस, हम लोग जानते हैं कि इसके कारण जो है हम अपनी बॉडी के अंदर डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन कर सकते हैं, आपकी जो बॉडी बहुत ही लाइट फील होती है, एंड यू विल एक्चुअली बी डूइंग वेरी माइंडफुल ईटिंग. So this absolutely aligns with the process of xenomorphosis, xenohormesis, which actually happens in the trees and plants.
Absolutely. You need not convince me anymore.
Yes, yes.
So,
There are so many people who need this kind of things. Now, that's why
yeah.
we thought that we should bring these topics so that people come to know that fasting is not punishing yourself. It is
Yes.
actually a boon to yourself. It is a boon. Actually, we have forgotten those things actually, है ना? इतनी ज्यादा अवेलेबिलिटी है चीजों की हमारे पास में,
Mm.
आपने ब्लिंकिट कर दिया, आपने जोमेटो कर लिया, आपके सामने आ गया, ये सब चीजें तो दी life has definitely become very simple for us, but we should not forget the natural process that has to go on. Only following those process will give us longevity.
By default nature had introduced fasting now, because
Yeah,
winter time there was no food, you had to stock up. Summertime you'll not get certain particular type of food, so by default nature had made provision for fasting. And even in the night, right, because after sunset you cannot eat. It's that we invented light and then we are munching at 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, because we have light.
yes.
If there was no light you would be sleeping, right?
You would be sleeping. Yeah,
So
bilkul.
nature by default want us to do fasting. It's
So,
just
so that is why
we.
brain to body always tells you to go natural.
So I think, Supriya, it's right time to introduce this new revolution, that is fasting is the new energy, not food. You know, everybody says food is energy, right? Fasting is the energy. Fasting is new energy. I think that should be our mantra for this next the Chaitra Navratri course that we have introduced.
Yes, yes, yes. Fasting, do fasting to invoke energy, or fasting is energy.
Maybe don't want to take the name of the energy drink. Like fasting is the new energy drink. Maybe.
Yes, yes, yes. We can say that. Yeah, definitely. So, guys, now do not think longer about it. Get enrolled in the program of Brain to Body Revolution, which is the Spring Manifest and Fasting program. And you can join us, and it's very easy to do. It's not tough, and you will be having such good feeling now with the help of the program that we give you, the various practices we do, and the food guidance that we'll be giving. You will be actually enjoying the fasting. And if you want to know more, you can log into our Instagram channel. There people have explained, or they have told us that how they were benefited by the use of the fasting program that we did actually last time. So guys, do not think much,
And also
right?
how unique it is from other programs. You will not know, first of all, you're fasting, because you will feel like it's part of you, like just like breathing. You know, we are because we're going through science medium. We are teaching you the science and scientific reason behind it. So it's going to be fun. We are so totally
We are
excited
super
for.
excited. And for the people who have done the fasting program with us before, for you also, there's a surprise. This is not going to be the same that you did earlier. So,
Yes,
guys, if you
absolutely.
have done the fasting program with us, like last time also, this time again, you will find something very new, newly introduced, completely newly tailored diet you will be getting here, because this is the guidance that we are giving. Particularly we'll be following that, and you will actually feel so light. You will be reducing your extra body fat. You will be aligning your mind. You'll be having sharp, laser sharp focus on your whatever you do ना. एंड किस पिछली बार तो लोगों ने बोला कि हमारा पूरा का पूरा घर ही सुधर गया, हमारे बच्चों पे भी उस चीज का असर पड़ा.
Ah,
सो
yeah.
गेट रेडी फॉर दैट.
We had so many testimonies. That's right.
या.
I remember them now. All right, guys. Thank you so much, Supriya, for bringing xenohormosis
Hormosis.
into our life. So, fasting right now, as we have covered, has so many benefits. The first is, of course, manifestation that we talked about. You can manifest anything. Second is it produces three powerful chemicals in your body, right? The ketones, the BDNF, and the catecholamines. And which sharpens your mind focus, clarity, and stuff like that. We also saw how it induces autophagy, right? We discussed that as well. Then we discussed about arachidonic acid, and now we are
Archegonic acid.
and
Yeah,
now we
yesterday
are
we discussed about that. Yeah.
and now we are discussing about xenohormosis. Who knew fasting has so many benefits? And thank you so much, Supriya, for throwing that light, giving a new name. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thank you so much, Soumya. Actually, after doing the fasting program on ourselves, and when we research about, there are so many things that we all are learning also, and then we are happy to bring it in front of the people.
Yes, absolutely. So let's see them again tomorrow. What say Supriya? And use
Yes,
their mind
definitely.
again.
Super excited for tomorrow. Okay, guys, for more information regarding the fasting program, you can log into our website, and you can log into our YouTube channel, where you have got plenty of earlier also we have shot certain YouTube videos for that. You can go through the channel's videos, and definitely the podcast that we are doing nowadays. You can log into that and you can see how fasting is actually very helpful for us. And when you have decided, just give us a call and we'll book you for the fasting program. And it's actually the seats are filling fast, so you have to be real quick here.
Begins on March 19, people. Just 8 more days, 7 more days to go. So
Seven
please
days to
hurry
go.
up and book your seats and let's get started. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you, Supriya. Let's
Thank you so
say
much. Thank
tata.
you,
Bye
Sonia.
bye.
Bye
Yeah.
bye, guys. Thank you so much.
Bye, guys. See you.
See you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.